it's not amazing to see a skinny nigga with six packs as much as it's not amazing to see a fat bitch with big boobs.
That time.
It was nice.
Hey, right now it tastes like shit. Yo, yeah, I
can't call to taste like shit. I've never tasted shit.
Wow.
Ah, fuck.
Damn.
Shout out to Zile for pasta perfection.
My highlight for yesterday, out of her speech, my takeaway was she entered her 30s debt free.
These motherfuckers didn't market the event enough, and then go by a shit show. How was the performance?
It was fire, man. It was fire. Mm-hmm. It was packed yesterday.
But imagine if people then realized it was fake and they thought all of the other posters were fake.
Yeah, now that you've mentioned.
See, like it didn't like so that's why you because it was gonna affect a lot of people.
A whole lot of people, yeah.
But they were mad when I said go get managers.
You know.
And they went Bangana under management. Now they was 1 million.
You know that episode created a lot of enemies for us.
That's very true.
Can I correct you?
Yeah.
It showed you who's who in the zoo.
Yeah. You live on the wavy. Yeah.
Little beach. I'm sleeping on waterline. I'm feeling no cat.
I got a blank, but some cacas. I am in flong at the cacas.
Go ahead and write the waves like you always do.
Man, fuck you.
What were you saying about skinny niggas and fat? What?
I'm saying, no, I won't say like that, but you can still say like that.
Yeah, you can.
I see flags, more skinny, unama six pack. Yeah, it's not amazing to see a skinny nigga with six packs as much as it's not amazing to see a fat bitch with big boobs.
Okay. Big boobs. What you was you skinny nigga? What's Gerardo?
Wow.
Shit. Oh, shumdana.
Wenhliziyo voice yami ile
ubebeza nodladli zokuphela i-voice yami
udladli ufika wasikhombisa ukuthi simemeza kancane
besala ngabona ukuthi siba nomsindo nomfana
apha listo.
Yeah, he is dope, Shema. He is
performer,
dope.
bro.
Yeah, nice.
He was a dope performer, bro. I was
I'm more than tight.
This one.
When you choose your pair of videos.
Shit.
Oh, shumdana. Yeah, you can take us through ish.
It's like almost.
I'm sitting and got
What's eating? What's wavy eating that dude?
Hey, I was talking again. We're back with another episode.
Yeah.
Out. Well, I'm telling you, I'm getting this on the age.
Yeah, I'm saying this. Kule promo. What? But I'm not supposed to have. Yo, way.
You don't start in it.
It was the booze.
Otherwise, what's wavy my Gucci gangs?
Take us through.
Yeah, what's
they don't pay us.
Oh yeah, it's that. Guys, can we have our rider so that you can
so we're gonna drink it from the side.
So that you can drink in peace.
Can you also say I said inside? Back, don't say nigga. What did I say?
Don't say nigga.
Shumdana. Mawuze bathi ngidake kanti shem angidakwa ngisijabulele.
Kaphethe ipapalazi nje.
No, alimphathi ipapalazi.
Ipapalazi lidakiwe.
Into engane leyo mina ngiphathwe ipapalazi mdala ngamanga.
Kahle kahle.
Angifiki phela etshwala utshwala ngaqala nge-Reds mina.
Ngishukela wonke.
Now I'm
15 years old.
Yeah.
Wow, you were very keeper.
Yeah. We started
it was the best, but I mean, it was
at that time.
It was nice.
Hey, right now it tastes like shit. Yo, yeah, I
can't confess it to taste like shit. I've never tasted shit.
Wow.
Damn, that was a good one.
Well, MC was a snowman, but I just snowman peda even. So how should you are hosting something as normal on Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it this one?
I didn't host.
I think it's this one.
You didn't host, but your name was on the poster, so you guys misguided people, misled.
I feel like
Misled.
I feel like so big like me.
Wow.
Not in a sense of weight. I found myself in the post, and they called me after the poster was on Facebook. I was like, hey, I said, oh, post, I was going to say, how? Cheapo? Why would you do that, cheapo? No, when I was too it's okay. Yeah.
But did it happen though? By hosting it in there?
They play every Friday.
Oh.
Just that they just made a poster. Yeah, they made a poster so that people are gonna come. And
I wanna say something, but
Khona nje vele yangibuza uzobukhona nesinoma. Yeah, ngizobe ngikhona. It's okay, see you there. I was like, hi when.
Yeah, see you there. Wow.
Neintombazana njengengisho nje igama layo kodwa ngiyathi i-Wave King Session. Oh shit.
I-Wave Gang Session.
Ithi ngicela ungilande. Sizoyakudlala ngithi unemhlolo yami. Anginayo imoto mina. Angilwi nokulanda.
Wow.
Ngithi imoto anginayo. Uthe kahle wena cabanga. Untombazana ngasahloniphi.
Awasasiboni bafana.
hayi ayasicina awaqeda vele awushushu mntana
Ingoma yakho
sorry
Yeesh.
What's wavy?
Yeah, guys, we're having a lazy episode, but then let's keep it moving. Otherwise, what's good, my Wavy Gang? You know the face, you know the name. What's the word? The word is Aish.
The word is Mr. S.
Mr. S is here. Oh, Breezy's here.
He's back.
Yeah.
Lord, I paid about Beyonce.
Yeah, I was fired, guys.
No, he resigned.
You were me not, dog. You resigned.
Yeah, he resigned.
I didn't
You chose
resign.
to resign.
I was going through a lot.
And then you chose to resign.
Like, it's important when you realize that you're becoming something you're not, then you come back and reflect, do some self-introspection. And
you left the group. What guys? That was my last episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sunday.
Yeah, wakhetha ukubaleka lapho
wawuthi wagcinwa yini awutshele mina
bengafuni ningiconvince ukuthi ngibheke ke. I was like, "Je, athi ngibaleke nje ngithule." Kodwa hayi.
So I called him. He didn't pick up. And I was like, okay.
He was being an ass.
Yeah.
It's not like I didn't pick up. My phone was.
Wow.
But you didn't pick up. I called you.
I called you back, Sakili. You didn't
Did
answer
you?
now.
Okay.
When I called you back, you were not there. Yeah.
Hayi wena.
When you were being a yellow ass.
Kahle nibonile nasemva amakhamera sanembono. Yazi lo. Sizom-attend. Awumeke wena so i-MC yasesinoma wena man.
MC.
Guys, so let's talk about yesterday. By the way, yesterday was the 24th of August.
See this after part.
I the episode, so the people must know what was it yesterday. What are we talking about?
Yeah.
We had a New Year's Eve.
Yeah, I think we have a new calendar.
Yeah.
And if we continue like this, we can make it happen. We can have our own calendar in Mkondo.
We had a New Year's Eve in Mkondo. We had
we had awesome day. I looked fabulous.
Yeah.
Because I don't wanna talk on their behalf. I don't want to talk on Sakile's behalf.
I was dapper.
But I'd say, yo man. Shout out to Zile for Pastor Perfection. Ukule Ntombi uzwile uzokosho na phutu wakho wathi it's time uthole ngwe.
But it makes sense. Remember, her mom is turning 60 next year.
She's an official granny.
So that means what Oluzile na did.
Yeah.
So mabathi sakuyisikhathi ubhuti wakhe no Ntombi ezinhle. No Mfundo. They said the same thing. But it's time now.
Uzokhona into ezile.
Yeah.
She's not ready for that. She's not ready for that. She's still living life.
Yeah, but
life.
Chapter 30 is unlocked. A very important number in one's life.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Why Tata lento zile kuyaphileka ayinamgosi. Nibonile phela hey guys bekunama fresh flowers lapha.
Wow.
Each table.
You mean?
Oh, you were not there. Yeah, sorry.
Fresh flowers. The one from Fryhead or the one that you get in the garden.
The ones that you get from the garden, and then the ones from Fryhead, and the ones from PR, and the ones from Nelspruit,
and from Joburg,
and the ones from Joburg. So she was able to coordinate the. No. I mean the actual flowers. So we had Angiti Sesa expander. So we had fresh flowers from the garden, which are very expensive, by the way. Let them gaga, it's over 400 and something. Yena begane bouquet. Is it bouquet? Yeah, begane bouquet. Each table, how many tables do we have? 6, 7, or 10? So 1, 5. I was table 4.
It was 3, 6.
6. So it was 6 tables. And then how many were we? But we were plus or minus, give or take 30 people.
Wow.
Yeah. And Maungena Lapana to the venue, I'm not going to mention the venue because they're not paying us for the airtime. You pay for each person who gets inside. I remember when I wanted to host Miss Mkono, they said, okay, per person is 150. And I was like, okay, it is on Bizarre money. You know. So if that's still the case, and I think that was 2 or 3 years back. Max says 150, so you can imagine now. Say Bizarre money. You want to try to look at Pile like them goes.
Umntana abantu nje yaphajethe musukuma uthatha izinto.
Yini lethathwayo uyazi ukuthi manje.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma.
Unyuka.
Hayi nango bangikhulumisa into engayikhulumanga mina.
Khona isithombe semamba imiphozo ehlahla yenze so. But uthi uyayithatha lento ivele itshele bomakhelwane ukuthi uyithathile.
Wow.
Bathi ukikhona ngiyathi siyaphila lo.
No, mina ngisho lento ayithatha yokuphila nekuphila kwenye nabungozi. Wayithatha lenqondo yokubudget ahlele into zakhe yonke into ibeshapha.
Look at you trying to act smart.
It's cooking.
But it was okay. It was nice. Shem. Yazi bengimuhla ngifuna ukungasho.
Oh man.
Yeah, bomuhle kodwa nawe Shem akufani.
Akusiyo Shem akufani lo ya.
Change.
Lo ya. Ukhona mshini isifile isithombe la. Put it on the comment section. Uthi umuhle Shem lo yabengiuzo.
No, but we look proper.
Yo, aye man.
We look proper.
Na pack ngicala umbona kezile kanje.
Na audit.
In fact, in Bonilla on the previous episode, you guys wanted to say fuck, but you were busy. You know, I'm like, oh, these guys, look at these ones. Sakile, Uyashuguti, you should have went for it. Uti. These motherfuckers didn't market the event enough, and then go by a shit show.
Who's the motherfuckers now? When did we move past? When did we move from past the perfection to motherfuckers?
Fuck.
No, it was an example.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, as we were still saying, yesterday we had New Year's Eve.
Yeah, man.
Where were you yesterday?
So from the morning, I'm really tired. There's no food.
Yeah.
No
food.
Yeah, I'm vukele intombi yami yongibekela amanzi. Ivuke on my behalf.
Yeah.
So the day was awesome. In the morning, came back to Kasi, went to around here like as bekunomsebenzi 8 ngaza ngadla mfethu isibindi nenhliziyo.
Oh, nice.
Yo inhliziyo yenkomo.
Yeah.
If you see a pair.
Okay, I'm hungry, so move on.
Hungry in udli kodwa wethu. And then after that
that was payment time. In fact, we're flying easy now. I need any move.
After that, singcono sayidla wayibona TV sidla on mini YouTube. Ubuka ngani session?
TV, I've got a smart TV.
Nami ngibuka nge-TV, that's why.
I've got a smart TV.
Khona umuntu uthi dala ngagcina ngithi you don't watch TV enough. So then after that, I'm okay.
Wow.
Ngena outfit yami. Ngaya ku Postal Perfection. I just want to say yabona mfethu kunabantu abakwazi uorganizer. Shout out to the long table pink apron guys. Those guys. Shamaine Kumalo, Spacey Kumalo Penene. She's my friend.
Yeah, we know.
Umhlexile magathi uthwena nguye lo siso pink apron. Uthi manje wayesoloku ungezi kunangu podcast. Uthi ningathumela back kimi.
Wow.
Hey, comments on. That's what she said.
Nithumela back kimi. Hayi nina ngithatha serious.
Ushamaine Kumalo, pink apron, long table.
Umzwile magathi ngingathumela back kimi.
No, but I said I move a pack. Remember, Besisepha at the time, we were getting our drinks.
Oh yeah.
I was getting my drink. We didn't have one. I was getting.
I'm so honest, man.
So I was getting my drinks. Yeah, come on. She's my friend. I'm like, okay, weird.
Didn't say you.
Yeah, but
okay.
Yeah.
I just ngamthumela ngaphek. Okusho ukuthi bo. Now that she mentioned
so we have usini.
Sithumele phek kuSnethemba.
Kanani bengikho serious godess.
Mana uSnethemba sizwa ngene. Yebo uSnethemba. I read the post ethi. Man, I read the post ngabosine ethi then we will come back to the ethi mupofema kakhulu kulabosine into negugu nobilona enhlanhla. Abakabalo nethemba kodwa.
Oh,
I got nethemba. Lo nethemba kababa kababa.
Bazobamsukela.
So, ukuthi masithuma nangipheke isizwe esidlala hle. Sithume pheke kuSnethemba.
Ufithi yafuna nje uzakasheshini. Awuqaka. Decide. Let's decide what I count me out. I don't think Pack is a problem. Kusne, I don't think there was a problem. She had commitments that was what not happening. Chelo kuti we are try. I'm phoning and then why they're not coming now. But no, I'm thinking Mama Wako. You know, Pela, she's my sister. What in Mama Wako? Often I'm amazing. Yeah, nala. And it's the name of 5 la. It'll stop your mama. 5. So I can't make it because I need to be there. I need to shoot on 11. And I can't say you guys must wait for me. Knowing NPM 5 on Sunday, it's going to say about to Valley was not
starting from 2 in fact.
Yes, so but I think she's gonna come because why as on Chelatio I was so shocked. Not that I'm saying she like returned the session, but I was shocked Uti wasn't man, I was like, wow. It's dope. But Besuk Postal Perfection this season. Besuk New Year's Eve.
So remember package right?
Oh, Peko right. Now pink April. Now the pink April.
Ukazi ukuthini vele kodwa kuphela nemagathi. No, phela usitshela ukuthi wathini kuye.
Wena wathini kuye?
How was your behavior?
Athi nguye.
Yeah.
Did you go Drake on her? You were in your worst behavior.
Wow.
Punching today. And
Yeah, because long table. Yeah, give me more.
It was too long. She only understands long tables, not long texts.
Peg, you were not resourceful in bringing Charmaine to us. Can you be resourceful and bring us our rider, please?
Yeah, manager.
Please, our manager, Peg. Give it up for Peg. Self-appointed manager.
Corner any video. Give me my money. As a shy.
Give me my money. Go A.
Oh boy, hey, but because he knew I wasn't gonna clap. He knew it. You planned it, my dog.
I'm like, yes, I kill us on Kala. No Kala, but get shy.
I don't know the challenge, man.
Oh, shit.
Hey,
I don't.
Queen. So after like Sussex Pastel guys, because I had a good day. I'm sorry for
Yeah, we had a great time. Sure.
Yes, a great time, and I'm just personally invite her in such an auspicious occasion. I really appreciate and I did honor the invite.
And the
follow
theme.
the theme. I honor the team because I invite her in 2020
Yeah.
my whole life. Fun,
Really?
yeah.
Wow.
Because they know I'm not gonna wear formal.
Okay.
Yeah. So this time, Zile gambled and she won.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was nice.
And her speech, remember the part the reason you guys are here
Yo.
is because the circle that I have invited today,
Yes.
the people who are close to my heart. Well, you were invited.
Who
was.
have made an impact in my life.
It made an impact, yeah.
Yeah.
Directly and indirectly so.
Yeah, and she said,
Tata le formal,
Wapinde watch the web session is alive.
yeah, she did.
But you know what? Shout out to Web Session Podcast. You guys, you rock.
And we rock, eh?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we rock.
Yeah, it
You
was
look smarter
the
than
week
she,
back. The
man.
week back, they Zile ni
Such
Nazi.
a
So,
man now.
Yeah.
who sent this? I feel like as Nazi pete. And I feel like everybody by our corner felt really welcome. We were just, chilling. It was in a like beginning MC, but prepares and
Yo, I'm Arabesla, the MC.
but channel is not park cool.
How long?
Yeah, so don't find so it's not park cool.
Uqala wathi phaka kokuphaka ama-start uphake ne-main
I-dessert ngibani odla i-dessert?
angidlami bakhona abayidlile laba engihleli nabo baphuza notshwala badlala i-dessert amakhekhe ngathi hhayi soze
Yo, utshwala namakhekhe.
cabanga yeah. But anyways, thank you Zile, happy birthday, happy 30th, may you grow old and wise and wiser, and may you be blessed in abundance.
Yes.
Ute Uzile, what I took, my highlight for yesterday, out of her speech, my takeaway was she entered her 30s debt free.
Whoa.
Yeah, 18. When you look at the event, the way it was well coordinated and everything, basically I am entering my 30s debt free. Talk about a planner, talk about an exceptional person, and so that was my takeaway. Because when we start, especially us young ones, when we start working, we rush to go and open our accounts, and all of that. As I was saying, that was my takeaway, and what? But yeah, that was great. I enjoyed it. Now let's move
Then
from pastel.
Then
Yes.
masicotha pastel ngahamba ngayiroka thapha wangithemba mfethu manje kuma-big festival like an MC for big festivals now. I was hosting uDladla Mshunqisi eMabuya Bar Isolo, and it was a jump.
We hosted Buhle.
It's not a competition.
I'm not saying it's a competition. I'm just saying we hosted Buhle, we hosted Tabile, we hosted Kumalo.
I didn't want to be rude. Like, it's not a competition. Who asked you?
No, I'm just saying you don't have to ask me. I'm just letting you know.
No, I missed out. Actually,
yeah, you did.
I didn't miss out like that, because I also had a good time, and I signed a check. Yeah, check.
Yeah.
I love Winnie Khumalo, man, because when it comes to Winnie Khumalo, I know I love her for different reasons.
Well,
I don't take things personally. You know? Ungahamba kundwane.
Wow.
But she has a rich history in the music industry.
Simba.
She has a rich history in the music industry because she used to do opera high notes ka Brenda Fassie. You know that when Brenda couldn't reach a higher note, they would give it to Winnie and Winnie would kill it.
I know. She also acted and played the lead role as Brenda Fassie in that that stage.
Yeah, that was a plus. But look at the fact that how like Brenda was a legend icon. You understand? We are legend and we deserve a legend vote.
Yeah. Yo, this guy is slow.
Yo, guys, I told you my social data dog.
Wow.
No, I'm not saying anything.
Yeah, you're cooking.
But then you were cooking, cook.
So yeah, I missed out, and I also love the fact that Umtana Keo Tabile is in the industry, and she's doing very well.
Yeah, she's doing well.
Yeah. And then Ubuse, a legend in the piano game. You know, like she's a beautiful vocalist. And she's
at close range.
She is my type, my size. That's the only thing that I had FOMO with.
Yo guys, muhle shem. Hayi muhle umuhle.
Yes, Bush.
Ngimbone at close range. Bush. Yo yindlela engane yes.
How was the performance?
It was fire, man. It was fire. It was packed yesterday.
But bekuvalo ngomuntu emnyama.
Bekuvalo ngesazi emnyama. It was very packed, and bacishe baphula negate because people wanted to come in, but shout out to the bouncers, they managed the situation. And people bagcine seba-understand about hayi guys siyaphakathi sokwenzana akuna space basitshilela ngaphandle and all of that. Base babafaka from the other door. I loved the performance kabuhle. It was fire. I loved the performance ka Retabile and ka Winnie Khumalo.
Wow.
It was well coordinated. So uyabona mosu DJ masashinji into zakhe. That's how their performance was. Retabile started okay, but my performance iqala ubuhle and then Retabile came and her mom was behind her. I can't remember what song she was singing, and then there was just that sudden switch, and then Winnie Khumalo came in. I'm just a 50-year-old, the way back, I'm like, oh, okay. Sasa spring chicken, eh? But I love it. But their performance was fire. I loved it. And then after Winnie and then Tabitha then came back again. It was amazing. I loved it. They were living their life. Winnie was living her life. I just wanna live my life.
Did she perform the song?
Did she? Can't remember. She did.
It's
that's a banger, by the way. That's a banger, man. That's a banger.
He's in Gomezati Magmai Puma Ngabon Uti Lento Uti Song of the Year radio station Yarochwan. Farana Kabel and Baale in Vitma Kal and Vitma Leongo Minga Munya Munyawayo.
Yeah.
I Leongo Malevin and Ingoma. So after that, then they went to other places.
We also went to other places. Eh?
Where did you go?
Hey, Mr. Essington, I'm a pattern.
Yeah, I went to other places.
We are poor, notorious snow.
Angizange I-attempt leso no. By the way, I was surprised bakubona ipost ukuthi uba awusho wena MC wasesinomo. Umapholisa bekasesinoma vele. Ayithona uMC yakhona.
Yabona lento yabona mina ngihlale ngisho ngithi kukhona into abavamisa ungayisho abantu. Yabona into ayenzile lo muntu lo create le post. Uyafana nomthakathi.
Usho nje?
Yeah, umuntu umthakathi mfethu. Akudingi ukuthi uzuphatha umuntu ube nemfene. Uzube nani? No. Ukuthakathi nje lento ayenzile. La kakhona nje ngifuna feel ashamed of himself or himself. Yegel akaphucwe i-laptop or i-phone. Akaphucwe nje into anayo le kayenze ngayo.
Ne.
Why?
Operator on a low level, low IQ. Why would you do that? How mfethu? That was just wrong, bruh. Whoever you are, feel sorry for yourself. And abazali bakho abakuthandi wena. Abakuthanda abazali bakho. Wena wenza ipost abakuthanda abazali bakho. Because bozo bacabanga ukuthi bazothina abazali.
Yeah.
How? So ngathi uthi umaphorisa uyeza. Ugazi kahle uthakezi. And ufaka ezothi le line uzuyenza Julie P, Mahu, Maphorisa. Like it's disrespectful, bruh. Ngathi ngaqinisa ukudla ekhakini. Ngiyathelela lo. Kamfethu yazi yangethe le yapho uzalona la. Because yazi bezolimaza izinto eziningi.
Oh my God! Yes.
Imagine if people then realized it was fake and they thought all of the other posters were fake.
Yeah. Now that you've mentioned.
See,
yeah.
like it didn't like
when abazali bakho
So that's why it's umthakathi because it was gonna affect a lot of people.
A whole lot of people, yeah.
Yeah, it was gonna affect a lot of people. People were gonna chill.
Uyeke kusithatha kancane wena, please.
Oh, siphizi mfethu lamkhondo. Kancane futhi lokubone kule weekend lena. We're still gonna do more. And I just wanna say, to whoever is an artist, put yourself out there.
Exactly.
I saw the conversation that you had there.
Yeah.
Bakutshela indaba zakho ngisibuka lula phana.
Awusakhumbuli the post I read.
The post that you talked about, ukuthi I'm artist Mkhondo, they must then start to promote themselves. They must speak to promoters. Back to the fact that so now my chat is Sharps Buddha, continue inspiring people, but for some reason my dog practice what you preach.
How so? I'm sharp, friend.
No.
What do you mean by?
You know what annoyed me about the time where I said rappers are whack, and I'm shy with it. But I'm gonna say it hurts me. He took it personally, and he even acts weird around me, and he never said anything. He never asked me what I mean by that and all. He never confronted me. He just quickly went on and what jump into a vibe of which is wrong. Because mina manga hita back ngathi bengikhuluma ngama rap
Wow.
But then mina
mfethu ngifuna umuntu afile somehow. Yazi kunabantu mfethu who took an offense and they're not rappers.
Uthi Sibaka si rap.
No, Sibaka Lutho is a rapper.
Oh, okay. Uthe wena
that does quite to sometimes.
Wow, sometimes.
I'm pissed, man. Like, yeah, I was in Tananja and Sibaka Lutho mfethu une focus, bro. Like, he's a good musician, ne? His energy iba off makenza lento ayenza. Iba off komampela. Nale ukuthi abantu ba act as if babe territorial. Like kunamakasi engisabo because I don't trust abantu abanginikeza leyo energy. It's not like Nasawa or anything like that. But
you don't have to, yeah.
I don't have to, but it's not about me. So I'm an artist. Kona Begu Weekend live tour, man. And I said, I'm an artist, Alan Kondo, they must have managers. Please, because if you come, let's say you come to promoters, you speak with passion, and you can be ignorant and arrogant and disrespectful to promoters because kunalento ekushisayo when ufuna ukuyenza ufuna performa ngenhliziyo yakho yonke. So there's a man of approach. There's a way, like find somebody who knows how to sell your music, to sell your craft, or if you can do it for yourself, then it's fine. Abanye ngisho ukuthi bobani, but they were mad when I said go get managers. And they went bangena under management. Now they Spotify 1 million streams.
Yeah. That was very specific.
Nice.
I did on that day. Actually, I was speaking to him on the mic. He came to me. Wabarut. I'm just it was top as a because I was MC. Like you can't come and say you wanna be before this guy. Because in the show before everybody must submit their songs.
Yeah.
So that we can set up the show. Now when for the same time so I was like, yo bro, like Nigel chose you must get a manager. He did. He took that advice and shout out to him. He's doing very well.
Who's that?
And I was so happy to see umuntu wase Beresford. Athi ku status sakhe mfethu. Afake cela ukubonga inkosi. Cela ukubonga bonke abasekhaya abangasekho.
Yeah, you bump it up. You know that episode created a lot of enemies for us.
That's very true.
Can I correct you?
Yeah.
It showed you who's who in the zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
It revealed who's who in the zoo.
Yeah.
Is it these are giraffes, herbivores, these are lions, carnivores.
These are omnivores.
Yes, these are like it just told you who's who.
I mentioned it last week on our last episode. Because of that episode, I've got people who do not respond when I greet them, and I've decided to thank you.
Yeah, I remember.
I'm no longer going to greet you, and I don't. No, and then we're done.
But I was impressed by Audi's behavior yesterday. You know, I thought we were not cool.
I was not.
But it was what?
I was not.
It looked amazing.
He's not talking to me, so that's why I was not impressed.
Did you talk to him?
Yeah, I saw him in one of the shops.
Yeah. And
yeah, that's that.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. And to think where we're coming from with that guy, it's
the leaders of the school, bruh. You guys come way back. Like,
yeah, it's very disappointing.
Yeah.
But anyways, it is what it is.
Uthini umcholo lapho kwemfana khamba kanjani?
Me?
Uphatheke kanjani emcholweni? Yeah.
I'm very happy, guys. I'm in love. Kuyazenzakalela. Angisumuntu romantic, but hey, kuyazenzakalela. Iyasho inkosi yamagxoka. Yeah, I'm very happy, guys. I'm in a happy space.
Inhliziyo yakhe ithatha inqumo noma?
Hayi, inhliziyo yami ithatha inqumo. Hayi, inhliziyo yami ithatha inqumo. My head ithatha inqumo nayo. And I'm in a happy place. Right no doubt. Siyathandana, simnandi, konke kuhamba kahle. Ngicabanga kuyovela futhi ngoDisemba.
Kuyovela kuphi emnyango?
Hawu bengithi bengithe ngizoyi-top up ngosolelo kunjani?
You liar, pencil. Ulinde ukuthi bayivule kuqala. Yo.
Yes, don't shoot that on.
Oh
yeah.
Yeah, on the 20 motherfucking 8th.
Yeah.
Hey, first.
Hayi wena wangibuza ngomjolo uzweni. Uzweni wasungibuza ngomjolo wami.
You look happy.
Yeah, I am happy, guys. Baby, I love you.
What's her name?
Nah, bro.
Okay, first letter of the name.
So now you are confused.
Okay, we ofela clip lokishi ke please.
Akasiwa la.
Isibongo.
Akasiwa la.
Akusiwa la mkhono.
Yeah, akasiwa la mkhono. Akasiwa la mkhono. Angithola la mkhono.
Sakhile mina ngakufaka le pressure mfethu ukuthi ulisha igama lakhe.
Mina angithola.
Lo so it
angithola la mkhono mina.
Lo so eJozi.
Angithola la mkhono.
Yimuphi kanti? Lo so eRas Plus.
eRas Plus kusemkhona angithola emkhono. Angithola futhi eRas Plus mina.
So njengoba ungajole emkhondo ne and umdala mawungaka uyazi ayidli hip-hop. Mawucabanga kwenzakala nje ungekho.
She comes like it every now and then. When
She
I watch
comes.
her, yeah, she comes.
She visits.
She visits. But I am happy.
Wait, she comes without you.
Remember in the Poppy Act. That's why I can't say her name.
Oh, that's what I said first letter.
I know. I
Of
don't.
a name.
How so? I pose on shit.
It's that easy.
Why do you want to expose me?
I'm not exposing you. You said you're in love, my dog.
I am in love and I'm happy. Nibenze lo cha why lo bonipletha kimi lo nifakeni lo. Na namdlulisa nje lo bonifakeni. Why so keep it chef ngiyabona. But anyways baby I love you. Let's move on.
Funny enough, I'm also in love.
Really?
I think I am.
You think you are?
Didn't think.
Yeah.
I never thought it would come.
To you.
There was a time where I didn't even buy new boxers, bruh. I didn't care.
I don't wear boxers, but anyways, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ilenge.
Nje.
Make it tangle.
Nje. Shy boy.
Wow.
Naso msebenzini sabayazi nabo ukuthi hey.
Kanti wenzani emsebenzini wena?
Mangoba.
Uyalengisa noma uyasebenza?
Mangoba phela lapha mhlawumbe.
Wakhomisa mechanic.
So basically image.
Oh. Usakila iphathe kahle.
Cut.
Lethe wenze emsebenzini ayikho right.
I peep that one.
Hawu. Bayakolela labantu ofesela lento. Oh, ewangiphoqa nangomuntu.
So, yazi
Yazi ngikhumula njengoba ngithi awu ngixoxa ukuphazamisa. So, kunemthetho ngithi emaflatini ukuthi no pets allowed.
Yeah.
So, the other time I phone okay, I ukuthi ngi tribalist. Ufone umpeli. Ilenge. Imali store man.
Yeah.
So this petty girl was like, ufone lama security. She's like, la ukhuluma ngesipedi.
Yeah.
Kodwa mina ngizosho ngesizulu.
Yebo uthi.
Because akukhona ubulala isipedi.
Yeah, kubela.
Yeah, so uthi umakhelwane wami ufuye izinja la ngaphansi. Like yabona iflatini ungaphansi uyasho ukuthi lo makhelwane wami ongaphansi unezinja. Ngicela ukuthi nimhlole ziyabhaka njengamanje. Agijima ama security. Mawafika ama security lapha ivele insizwa yakamkhize. Bambuze ngemfowethu. Kunezinja kune complaint la ukuthi nina ninezinja la endlini. Yabo. Lo mjita uhleli nabo bhuti bakhe avula awabiza uthi wafowethu nansi mhlolo. Bathi kunezinja. Asi lo mfowethu. Mama lebo. Ongathi mhlolo. I was like, the fuck?
Adibabaga. Awuzwaka nawo.
Izinja ikompotha kanjani?
Are you cool?
God, I love
Everyone who doesn't get it, that's how I explain it. It happens. Some people are slow. They have low IQ.
Usho chief executive officer wethu une low IQ.
Look at the people that he hired. Look at me. You think a smart person would hire me?
Uzoqoshwa njalo nemsebenzini.
Ngikoshiwe man.
Uyixoshe wena.
Oh.
So amazulu izinja.
Yeah. No, yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, we've missed you.
Can I mean kumulile afet? I won't lie. Abengeke ngivayo but nje bekubalekile ukuthi ngithathe thatha break nya.
Yeah.
And one thing I realized and I appreciated more ukuthi even though today I don't know if ever saw ngijwayela kabi noma uyangiphaphela bona. Uyaringa sol manje. Hey.
Wow, singaringa manje.
Phela uyazi usol mfethu bekavela chama abantu njalo mfethu ngenyesha amantombazane mangipost isithombe like I want to recover him.
Yeah.
But he's
No, with that,
Tell us lo puti lo ngapha lo ohleza thulile ngithi hawu. Why need to hleza thulile? Bebaphapha nje. But izinje nje mfethu.
wow.
Hoopshin. Yabo bethu leyo joke ngatshela ngitshela mfuthi ngisafike varsity. No, she was stronger, bro. Like that girl felt to be, she had Zulu jokes for days. Let me give you this one and one year is perfect. I walk Leo ngachaso yangiphapha. Siyajola phela musukudelela amazulu akithi. Ile uthi ngamshaya ukuthi amazulu athanda ukuba.
Yeah.
Yeah, amakhelana athenga iPM nje. Ngiyamshana le PM yakhe. Ngamthethe akomanje.
Sokusana ngomshaya.
Sokusana ngomshaya. Anthi ngibadelele nami ngisaseyintwana yabo. Ngingamshaya ngale joke ubona musamazulu ade uthi bathi kune accident lapha crossing. Kushone
umuntu leshaka nendodo.
Kushone abantu abayi3 namashaka nayi2.
Hey.
Okay, what's happening today?
It's just wrong, bro. It's wrong. Amazulete. Bana ndodlamini wanu udlamini. Uyafika uthini umfana lo uthi ngilimele.
Wow.
Kanti uthi kilimele.
Yazi ngibona ulo my brother's keeper.
Yeah.
There's TV show edlala ku Mzansi Magic. So lo Cherry igama lakhe uDidi. Yabo. Ubani uDidi bani noma kubani bani. Manje uDogo ubiza isizulu leso.
Don't say it. Just eat it.
Athi hey uDidi. Uthanda bayewo. Athi Bathi uDidi uthanda bayewo.
Uthi
iyaphuma iyojoli out. Uyambuza umfazi wakho uthi uthi hayi inkonzo abahewu. Uthi abahewu for ini uthi hayi uDidi. Uthi ufuna abahewu.
Awulachitheke ke manje. Ayiphoza. Ibonisa.
Yeah.
Elazi. Ayva. Yabona ihewu. Elazi ihewu.
Yeah, besinara behlena.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Woo! I can't.
Sakile awuboni noma uhlala nini emahewu lo. Hey, entontweni mfana phela nawe balandela abisalela.
Yabona nje
Njengba lo mtshitha lo nkosi yami.
kuba velo.
Lo seNewcastle lo wazenza neBoxing game.
Awusahleka lo. Alimveze naye.
Lo thi inkosi yami man.
Konje ba.
Is it okay if I say?
Yeah, it is.
No.
Yeah, it's okay.
To say what?
Whatever you want to say.
To say what's on your mind.
Shit, konjunjani?
Image. Ichapile. Ngathi ndikhetha.
Kwenzala nosichazele why uphethuka kangaka?
Behlenda mahewu. Ichapile.
Ngwa.
Kev.
Ay!
Ichapile ni
sensitive ngeke sitshela into enjena mfethu.
Kanti uyibamba wena.
Uyibambile wena.
Ushishiwe yena.
Ushishiwe yini?
Usho njani ibambi?
Uthi besihleli naye. Bosho kanjalo vele.
Hawu.
Wow, Sakhile. I thought you had a heart, bruh.
Uma ngeke ngahletho kanjena.
I have
You
a
were
heart.
heartless bastard, yes.
I have a heart.
We did it.
Yo.
All right.
Sister Bettina.
What's been happening? Guys, shout out to DJ Kabza. Umfana kama twice, Shem.
Yo,
le ntwana.
yo, I'd give him a
yeah.
million, that boy. I'd give him a million.
My twice, shout out
My
to
twice,
you.
take that boy far,
out to
bro.
you, Fitz.
Take that boy far, my twice. Shout out to you.
Hey.
Ufana na Mlungisi. If I want about my twice, no Mlungisi.
Yeah.
About chant music. Back in the days, my twice used to play keyboard, keys, and bass guitar. Mlungisi used to play drums. Like when he was still young. When Babaka was still Channel 6.
Baba Mlungisi.
Yeah, put Henry.
Yeah. Usacula namanje njalo.
Put Henry, maungathi uya na ePitori. Uzofika sowuwazi wonke ama lyrics eChannel 6.
Uhedi mawuqasha sound yakhe.
Uqala yena.
Ayideliver yena.
Uqala yena.
Sound check yakhe uyaperform.
Uyaperform.
Lalela, Henry intanga wakho yini, wayimbiza Henry, siyasho put Henry.
Intanga yakhe.
Wow. But yeah, no man. Shout out to you, my twice. My twice was a car, by the way, guys.
Hey, what's up?
This car was a car, my twice.
Yeah, slow. See you again. Oh, yeah, what's the chairman?
Oh, imagine.
How? But the matter that
Guy, question le.
Angwa.
Man, usine was MCN.
Yo, she can MC.
I got.
She's a model.
Got.
And she can MC also. But not groove. In like, I don't know when is the date. She's going to be in Emelon, some woman in power something event. Well, she's a good speaker. She knows how to.
She's a program director.
Ekhaya mfethu nje. Kahle kweba sihlale Jos ngabe nisibuka TV. Xoxele mfana.
Hayi ndikayenzi lokunjane.
Xoxele mfana ngisi. Ayakekho nje ekhaya umuntu oqhekaya mfana. Yabo nje I just want to send a shout out to all the young generation yasekhaya. We don't buy skilling, we don't buy old beefs. We are together. Like I wanna employ everybody, every family member, your family member, everyone in the community. Do not inherit a beef and my family members, especially abantu abadala. Because mina ngeke ngathola ukuthi abanye abazwani ukuthi bashayana nge-18 abana 13 and sibana 40 kodwa still abazwani. Stupid decisions. Fana nathi mosike fana nasingamachita sithi amachira yapet. Thothwa ahead umuntu ona 18.
Yeah.
Yini into na 18 yazini? Okay, another thing. Did you guys pay?
I didn't.
Like,
For what?
For what?
did you pay, doctor?
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Bangni is in king.
They did.
Please
I'm
do not disrespect the sessions, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, let's talk about that. I was pissed yesterday.
Ngiza ngiyakutshela ukuthi dog angikhoki mina uyazi mos bad. Yo like yeah uthi bani wala ngathi
Okay, sicela refund Jabula, sicela refund ya eshukhokhile izolo. You know we are family mos.
Wait, ngikamtshela into wangathi kusemamela ngizobhadala manje then kusasa ngifuna ukubuyisa imali yami sesengikhulumile nomphathi wakho.
Mina bangigwajisile. Kwathiwa nje ungasipayisisi.
Wow.
Yeah. Mina ngisizwe ngulokhunjana ngisizwe ngeshi na lokhunjana namshini to get in izolo because it was like saying strange. Because I ithi sithema suka ku pastel and then I had to go past endlini yasespan because I had a bride. So I went to the house and then I stayed and then I came here. It was packed.
Uhambe nabantu because ugcina uthi uhamba namoni uyibudidi wena.
Ngihanjiswe ngulokhunjana ngihanjiswe ngunene.
Qede lapho mina sengisangene ke manje
I told Andile when I left.
Yeah, but you didn't tell me.
Yeah, but Andile was supposed to tell you.
Uzonza njani manje makuphamula nje? Aneyithanda Sakhile.
They went from 0 to 100.
I wish somebody told me not to have kids, fine.
Yo, my guy.
I wish somebody told me, bruh.
You
know why? You know why? Because now we don't want to be deadbeat dads. Do you understand? We don't wanna.
Do you want to be?
Deadbeat dads.
Deadbeat dads.
We don't want to be
I
dads.
thought it was like
We don't want to be dads. I'm a
Yes.
deadbeat dad.
Yes.
You understand? So we end up in a situation where we really have to provide because we want to provide, and that's very expensive. You get me? It fucks up your life somehow, especially if you had kids while you are not ready. It's an advice that I told Machine. I was like, my dog, until you have your own house, then you can have kids, because it's a matter of you're raising your kids here in front of you, rather than our situations where my kids are living with their mother, because the finances are like our account manager
Exactly,
when they are not next to you. You
Yes, when they're next to you, it costs too much.
no.
I'm telling you.
It does not.
Because I'm mama. Nabakhona ukucabanga bakhipha bakhipha
The bahlezi bafona. We've got kids who don't.
He does. One meet is about 3 at the same time. 2 or what?
Hey.
One big or 3.
Hey.
So yeah, raising kids, it's much easier. So fonela Thabiso
Wow.
masiqeda sifonela isidom nathembi semthini.
He's on. Jebs, you live on the wavy. Yeah.
Boy, sukela nini umsuthu wena konje ngubani umgcumeni?
Mama memshaya.
The black sheep, no man.
Wow, Njabuli, you're calling me a black sheep?
Black sheep, no man.
Alright, usangibiza homeboy, uyapapa.
You looked very clean yesterday for you to be doing what you're doing right now.
Alright, thank you sir, thank you very much. I say drop, call your papa Njabuli.
Back to work, kids.
Right, this still work, can't vele uyathelela unjalo vele. Abantu abazi uyathelela wena.
I hope awukaphathi into zakho obuya nazo la ubuya khona.
Yes. Simtshalo nathi.
Ngiyadlala.
I'm family, bro. What do you mean?
Ubuya.
I know, Donna. I know, bro.
Oh, where's young head?
Work is whack.
Work is whack.
Work is whack.
You're saying my work is whack?
Now I was just saying it's WORK and then WA Delaware.
Wow. Yes, sir.
Except lama white sheep aka complain la. Awulalela uzozwa.
Peg, can you start it? Yeah.
I know what you're complaining. We just have a question.
No, we just have a question, NPM. So we had a challenge yesterday. It was fully packed.
Yeah.
We did not mind paying, but it was the manner of approach which I was approaching your bouncers at the gate.
Yeah.
Because we were treated like groupies. And mina yiyo enye indaba eyangenza ngayeka enye indawo ngangasaya kuyo lento yokwenziwa ngathi
Hey, hlala endabeni.
Lela lo beka MC yakuyo. But anyways, so sibe nale challenge le ukuthi were we supposed to pay to get in? If yes, then that's fine. But also the approach yakhona was very wrong in so many levels.
Well, you're not asking.
Okay. Number one, I will start by apologizing on behalf of the establishment.
Yeah, we don't accept the apology, by the way.
Which you were not there, so I'm not.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
I shouldn't do.
So yeah, gents, I think the miscommunication was on my side. You guys were not supposed to pay. And then I've been sick. The reason I was not even there yesterday is because I was discharged on Friday.
Oh,
sorry, man.
Ingqondo
Sorry.
yami is all over, and then now I'm not well. So the problem ingakimi, and I will see how I reimburse you guys for paying. And then in terms of approach, I'm assuming, I might be wrong, people were overwhelmed by the crowd.
Yes,
yesterday.
yes, yes.
So obviously, sorry,
bekufalo ngumuntu emnyama.
sorry, oh boy. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
yathi ngithandi le.
Wait.
Jabulo.
No, it can't be gone. It's him.
Ngizothele out le.
Oh, sorry.
Nini kunezile.
My fault. Something I should talk.
I don't accept the apology.
Wow.
Not that's happening.
Accept anything.
Yeah. That's happening. Maybe it's not okay now again.
Maybe not okay now. Okay.
I'm worried about
Okay,
this
no,
guy.
it's fine. He cleared the thing. He apologized,
Yeah.
and we accept the apology.
Shout out to you, Nji.
Shout out to you, man. Such a
I
humble
want to
guy.
thank you for
Yeah.
the love that we received. Like, so,
Please, ube ngcono. If you're gonna watch it, I would if. Please,
He is going to watch.
please feel bad at my talk. We still need you.
fast recovery.
We still need you. Upoki wakaza what you are a man of many moves. So move away from that sickness and be okay, my talk. Yeah, dribble that shit. Okay, he's calling back again. I think it's him.
Is it him?
Yeah.
Lento yokuthi ningifonele nge5 cent yini?
Hayi ngibese ngiyakufonela back. It was your phone, not mine.
I doubt it's my fault.
Oh wow. Okay.
Because I know your phone.
Ngivumelana nawe lapho.
Because I know your phone.
Ngiyayingcengela ke lokho.
Uphuma kuma-black sheep.
Ukhuluma nge-iPhone engithi lapho Njabulu.
It's a cell phone, but the brand is iPhone.
Yeah. Lalela, akusiyo ke le esikhuluma ngayo, the brand is not iPhone.
Yazi le phone le.
Oh.
Ngathi truck emasotsha ipouch yakhona.
Oh boy, iPhone leyo phone.
Ishuthi ithombe ezinhle kodwa
Kodwa iPhone.
Hey.
Angazi ukuthi ikhathe kuphi because bese ngikhuluma ngedwa.
Yeah, ikhathe bosakhuluma
ukuthi
ukuthi
people are overwhelmed
yeah,
by the crowd.
overwhelmed by the crowd.
So
Yes.
I feel the guys at the gate were also overwhelmed. So sometimes maybe sifake icathulweni zabo and understand ukuthi they were dealing with different characters at gate.
Yes, yes.
And now bazoba frustrated. Ngapha I didn't communicate. You know, it's like the cooler box thing eyenzekile, and then I was able to diffuse it.
Yeah.
So if also that one, you guys should have just highlighted that because bengizoyilungisa nayo. But nevertheless, I will see how I reimburse you guys. But anilahlanga nitshalile mos.
Yes.
Sibusisiwe isandla esiphayo kunesithathayo.
Yebo uqinisile.
Ewabashaya lapho. Bayisola manje ubuso bobuhlungu manje.
Wena bowungekho wena Thuli.
Akazi ukukhulumelana.
Ethi angifikile mfethu.
Hayi unamanga manje.
Usithengele ibhodlela uholile izolo, usithengele ibhodlela.
Lalela Njabulu. Mina ngifikile engabangikhokhisanga. Abekho serious lawa abakhokhisile.
Ayikho lento leyo mfana. Bakubonile nje ubhala ukuthi wonke umuntu akahamba aye la uyakhona. Athi wonke umuntu awusathi nje asihambeni uthi wonke umuntu uthi thina sisebenze ini kodwa.
Angifuni sikhulume ngesuku la izolo yabona. Ngoba manje ngizokushaya ukuyela esibhedlela mina.
Wow, that was too soon.
Hey, too soon.
Too soon, man.
I think Thule ngoba ku live, so I think Thule.
Yeah.
Ayisho baba, woza. Letha baba, skuta baba, Njabulu.
Yeah, so I'm assuming that we'll see each other, man. I have your stuff here with me that I was supposed to come down with.
Oh.
There's a khuluma ngazo chance.
Yeah, man.
What is that?
Aye, shut
Out
up,
to
oh
the
boy.
winner.
Black sheep, I was this.
We black sheep, man.
Oh boy. Phela makunawe manje sekumele ngimind my tone and what I say because you might fit the information elsewhere.
Hey, yes.
Yes, inside man.
Hey.
Is an event Wednesday and then a clash of the choirs, which I don't want.
Lele Njabul. La bangizonda musu kufuna ukuba namaphathi ungizonde nawo banamaphathi la.
You my boy, we're throwing a pool party October, so you are here. I know you.
Oh, come on.
Black sheep.
Oh.
Sisa review contract yakhe lo.
I've never been not wave, guys. The personal limboos less, and I tell you, mina wave until I die, until I reach the bottom of the sea, bruh.
Yeah, you must tell them that it's never personal, it's just business.
Nje. Akunankinga kuyafuneka isijamp.
Okay, gents. And then sorry about the interview that you guys were supposed to have.
Hey.
I tried on my side, but I don't know what happened.
We are used to it. We are professionals.
Yeah, I tried.
Let's try to reject some fethu. Fana nawe sasemncane isikhathi bangaqongi.
Oh boy, you must mind your tongue. God said, "Let there be light." Ngomlomo. So tongue yakho iyadala. You were not rejected.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it was just objected.
Hey son. Yeah.
Not rejected. So, yeah. On to the next one. There's more artists that are gonna come there. I will continue trying until we get what we want.
Yes, most definitely. And thank you.
Bye bye.
Ukumuthi someone might mhlambe kamusha e18.
Nayo laba balala.
Nah.
But anyway, sesidlulile ulungisebenzi.
Yilo vele bese ngimjwayele mina, vele ngimfunda each and every day.
Into bengisho ukuthi
Yeah, ngimjwayele fucked up. Lo kumina every
Yilo ukuthi umjwayele fucked up.
But then
I'm trying fucked up.
It is what it is.
Because he fucked you up now.
You
Nah,
became the one.
Bona phela kuthanda ufakaza dog. But then
No,
it is what it is. Oh, shabo. Nah, but then it's cool.
Ufana nababazile bengathanda igama lakhe aziwethi ingane zakhe.
Yo, lamchita lo yafetha ngeke. Mufakazani fakazile faka. Hey, bonke ufaka.
Mshini uyazi uba phela vele oboy bayamfaka kanjani.
Ish. Bakuthengela ibhodlela wena zange siyikhulume into le. Hawubisa ukuthengela ibhodlela wena uzokhipha ama secret abantu angekho.
He was feeling me.
He was feeling you.
Yo!
No, but I feel like he was in the moment.
Oh, it was a moment. You guys are the moment. He had a moment.
I didn't have a moment.
He had a moment with
But
Biso.
I won't judge you or not here. When you video, man.
It was bottoms up.
Oh, yes. You killed it, John. You killed it. Fuck it. Yes,
Let's call him.
We are family. Let's call Biso. Call Biso.
Let's call him.
Yes,
Why do you have his numbers?
Don't do that. That's the yeah, so
Watsho njalo wathi ngiyistarter mina. Na i-main course. Wathi ku-main course.
Uzugcina nami. Mshini ungijwayela mshini ngiko sweet mina ngisithuze.
Inamba yakhe ngisayibonile.
What's up with you with that vibe, bro? Like,
yeah, you were
Mshini.
saying that before.
hey, what's going on?
Azibangabalithabisa sangithola ilinye manje.
About
Uthini.
Hey,
Balithabisa. Phela bese kwenjenga ilanga le.
Yeah, kwakunje.
And then he showed up. And then another one was
And then he smiled. This one smiled.
or he smiled back.
This one. Kwathi ufunani baba. Wathi hayi ngiphuza igodi.
no, this one know how to place them people to do them things.
them people.
Wow.
Just them people. Them.
Come on, like
Them.
siyazi ukuthi
They. Him.
preference rabo it's either it's her, him, or Dame or Day. So come on.
The fact that you just
How was
said
it?
What did you just say?
Yeah, ngisho phela manje abantu
Pronounce. You don't know.
Ekuseni ungusiphelele mina ungitandukana.
bane schizophrenia nje.
Pronounce.
Yeah,
Pronounce. Dame or Day.
Remember the time you guys did the transgender thingy, the challenge, and then there was a topic about people transitioning back to their original state. You understand what I'm saying?
I do.
Well, how fucked up is that?
After doing the thing, then go back.
Alright, guys, wait, are we still on content?
Sesiphumile please. Because man, okay, but then since it's
Open chat.
28 September 2024, Heritage Picnic.
We did last week.
Come back proper.
But origins vele iyazi ukuthi
Origin,
masenza into siyenza again and again and again and again and again.
Oh, okay.
Get in.
Just for show.
As I was saying, 28 September 2024, Heritage Picnic Celebration Family Event. Sefrahed in Fried Cecil Image.
Kunikezwe wena le positive
kahle Cecil Image.
Yeah.
Okay. Tickets available at Complete Tickets. Adults 130, kids 60. At the gate, adults 150, kids 80. Cooler box free until 2 o'clock. 50 rand after. From 9 o'clock ekuseni to 12 o'clock ebusuku. We there. We origin the events. We're killing it. We're doing it big as a Veritable Center. You know, we're family with Origins. Since even last time, the one movie night, some people had
what we decided
we moved on from that. Shut the fuck up. We moved on from that. Now we're here. We're moving on. Heritage Picnic. Oh boy, we haven't seen that.
Oh, yakusinde kungakhuluma ngikhona.
No, ngisho manje ungibhekile.
Isinda ngigibele nini? Ngijwayela.
No, your eyes are too heavy, dog.
What?
Bese sibukana manje.
No, ubheke mina but like dog, don't look at me.
Phela ngeke usibone masibukana wena vela ubona ngithi.
Hayi wena umntwana bethu une vision.
What I'm trying to say is we've decided to go to Fried to steal another idea. We're stealing the heritage idea in Fried.
As you claim.
With our partner that we still with. We still with Origins all the time.
And mind Hootie, still the same people who are doing the event. It's Origins.
Not rave station.
So mind we there
to steal. Yeah.
The way it's set on.
Guys, wait.
As I was saying about the
Origins event.
Yeah.
Picnic.
There will be Springbok games, fashion, traditional food.
Springbok games.
Yeah, Springbok
That's what
games.
he's reading.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Shut up. Springbok game,
I
fashion,
can't.
traditional food. Come on, dog.
Yeah, read.
Shush. Kids fun zone, car wash, car show, cultural entertainment, Brian and more. Theme: modern heritage. Tungisan in brackets.
Okay.
The cheese. Tungisan.
Study Platter. Yeah.
Sakila uhlele phansi.
But it's you.
So we are going to Fried. Shout out to everybody that is supporting Wave Sessions. We don't say this all the time, and I'm back to teach these guys how to do it
Shut
again.
up, oh boy.
Comment,
For more information,
like, subscribe.
For more information, you can text the number below on WhatsApp 064 066 9323. I'm repeating the number 064 066 9323. Text them on WhatsApp for more information or follow on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Origins event at Origins _event.
Okay,
I'm not gonna say much because ngiyabona kunama sponsor about Just Water.
Hayi bayeka ama sponsor bakasponsor bakithi.
Yeah, but sina bring picnic essentials. Akube njalo, makube njalo.
Guys, are we going to Ngochane 5 October? Ngochane vele? Ngochane Sports Ground. Machine.
Oh, for Kachenis,
Cook, please.
Oh,
Please cook. Yeah. Hey, line up, guys. Man, we can't not go.
Yeah, cook it, my dog. Cook it.
Cook very well.
Cook it. And
The way we get all the spoons up.
Machine, I feel like we don't mention him enough, dog. Wolf, dog. Because dog is always showing love, dog. He's always there for us.
The leader.
Shout out to you, my dog. I know we don't give you too much credit, but then here you flowers, dog.
Music festival.
No, I
think this one can be some fun. Like I can't.
covering the footage, dog.
Until when wahamba waya kunje yini yini konje yile even bebakuyo uthanda kwaZebe
sethembele unyangeni ukuthi azange khai bukudliwa inyama ubhiza my dog
and why very ngazange
imoto besingani
manje mina sinamoto
mshini bezwangibuza are you willing to walk
mina mshini ngaze ngakubuza the day before ngathi sizokhona ngiyasakhe sathi sizowa
mina bethu I was willing to walk manje inkinga ukuthi
coming back
inkinga ikubo mshini bayanga no uzongibheka imessage yakho usakhuluma ukuthi uzokufonela for my directions awu like papa nenyama
angisho njalo even naye mangifuluma naye
samile dog usikelela ama-phone ama direction at least ibekazi siye khona straight
okay here's what I'm suggesting
and I lose afetha abancishana inyama khabo sakhile
yes bro yes
wena wayangani waye wasitatsana
exactly
hayi ngengaya khabo sakhile magnet mapepe yo cabanga mfethu siyafika basinika inyama kancane sekuza ama plate okay sekuza inyama sesiyahamba nal plate futhi kanti ababonanga ukuthi sidlile lewan la khabo sakhile mfethu bazokupha inyama uzuyisolbo yapi
but you know what I'm suggesting guys
No, I went there
he
before.
once went to it.
I once,
So
wabuya wakhuluma ngayo
the movie night even.
Oh yes.
Which
hey
call it ngambona.
La wasekhaya ayifuseka
wento mntakenzini
hayi ekhasi bahle uyangibona na
Hayi sakhila ayingathi muhle. Muhle kuphi?
awubukeki mos msters
Ubuhle ngakuphi?
thani uyajwayeleka
umona wala so guys what I'm suggesting is I see host a name in our respective homes so that bazosibona basazi bazi neke ngophila nayo
Even my mother was like why is ilanga ngivayithana cabang I was like oh mama so yaphwela uthi ngiphathele ukudla ke
ngisho mama akayithandi igqoza
wena ethanda icoko zakho no I would my mother watches the show and uyangithanda nonke wena esilalela wena sicoko uyabukela mama and futhi yazi la kakho
and manje bethi imagine cishe bethi manje bethi lesigqoka namhlanje ube bathi khumula lento
akusing mama kuphela ke yo come on
oh that guy khanye baby
akusing mama kuphela
khumula lento
in fact I regretted the day I told my mother about Wi-Fi and this yo I'm missing no episode
really
uvela in the TV mayivuleka YouTube obviously until subscribe yabo so uvela athi abone yona athi ngena khona bese ayathola ukuthi do and when the show ayibuki ngikhona mfethu ngizosangixoxela ngithi ngibonile niphuze lapha I'm like mama do you know how old I am usangitshela ukuthi ngiyaphuza as if ngijudge relax mami I love you
ngizilo nje mama ukuthi uyabhorisa lo
howzile mfethu
wow no mama
that was not
okay I know it was cool. It was cool. You were not there. You can't say that.
It was on a lighter note.
No,
so
it's
mama
not
wait
deep,
listen
it's not cool.
Mama
Nalok Porter was not that deep. Why would you say
when you're trying to be deep with it, man?
You were not there. I can't be deep.
Puma Ocean, you are too deep right now. Puma.
Listen. Did you hear me?
Because man, you're too deep, though.
So, umama zile le ngiyafuna ukuguga nayo lo mama zile
yisho nje mahalela mama zile
hayi
Ungadry.
Zile beware.
Zile ungaminvite Sakhile ekhaya kini.
I zile ngiyeza to your mom's.
Hey, to your mom.
Ngimzwela vele Sakhile malunga ngam stage lapha makathi she's selling 60 with babe. What Sakhile? What? Oh my God.
60 has never been looked. Yeah, they said that shit.
She's aging
They
like
never
fine
look
wine.
so good. Ooh, she ages like fine wine.
She's
Oh
aging
my
like fine
God.
wine. That's a compliment.
Zile
Right?
Bro is
pasoko.
cooking.
But that's why they say if you want to marry someone, go see their mother first.
Exactly.
So whoever's gonna marry Zile, we have to yo cook abe muhle.
Ngabona zile muhle nje.
Yini ngathi ukuconvince.
How muhle.
Who are you trying to
Ushame uyazi shame.
Okay, sorry Moshe.
Yabona compliment mfethu ziyafaka ushame mfethu. Hayi, kuyafana nje.
Maru muhle our princess.
Yabona.
Hayi ngithe sorry ngithi I withdraw.
You do not withdraw.
Ngithi sikufaka isibhaqa ukuqala.
You withdraw because
You are
keep
beautiful,
chat.
You are very beautiful.
She's sexy also.
Hayi wena sofunani sobona bo sexy manje.
No, but you can tell Zile is sexy. You don't think Zile is sexy.
Wow,
She is
bro.
sexy.
Oh, what the
You look at
fuck?
her that way. Hey, my cheat,
You don't think Zile is sexy?
I don't look at her that way.
Yeah, you don't think
you don't
I can't picture she's my sister. I can't picture her that way.
she's very disappointed with you. She's gonna watch
Yeah.
this and be
Yeah,
disappointed.
but I love her very much. You know that.
You can
you love her.
Yeah, she's my sister. I love her very much.
Alright, hey yo, my weekend. We had a good time with you. I think we've hit the bar. We've hit the bar and more.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
but we
can
can continue though. We can continue.
It shows ukuthi ngibuyile ngikhumbulile. It's an open chair today, vele. We're not really strict on any topics. Everybody is saying what they want to say.
Mshidi, do you want us to talk about something? Do you have something you want us to talk about?
That was the only thing that was on my mind.
Which was that?
They wanted Asia Fred.
Oh yeah.
The announcement.
Oh, the announcement. And then, Peck, do you have something you want us to highlight?
We can wrap it now. The show was nice.
Really?
I have something after the show. Don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, guys, it's been lovely. Comment,
It's
like,
been a wavy
subscribe. It's been a wavy one. Shout out to Njabulo. NPM.
Please feel better, I'm
Yeah. You always pull through when we need you. So yeah, shout out to you. Please get better. Kodwa the way bokhuluma ngakhona uyapapa.
Oh, so happy.
Akukhombisi ukuthi ubesibhedlela uphapa kanje.
Hey, une
Into enjengayo.
very much
I'm
alive.
sure the man is going to come out.
And umuntu ogula akadeleli,
Wena
uyadelela.
uyadelela wena.
Wow.
Go to phila mfethu.
Yeah, uphile mfethu la.
Uphile mgcumeni.
Yeah.
Yeah, one. Bro.
What did you say?
Don't when you talk humor,
You know me.
hey, bro, come on. But then, really, we know that's not gonna happen.
Awunguyelo. Awunguyelo.
Cabanga intombi yakhe, man.
Hey, sithando sami
But
yakuthanda.
then, it's been a lovely one. It's been a wavy one. Pez guap, even though, hey, yeah, it's been a wavy one. Mr. S
is in love.
Sending love to Mrs. Anonymous. We'll know you later. I want to say, I'm talking about very young.
Hayi ngiyovela guys ngiyovela
You're very young. Was NPM my kayin.
Oh,
Cha ngiyovela ekhayeni phela. Ngiyovela ngoDecember guys. Ithi le ngoma yaphokuya ngoDecember. Ngizobona ngoDecember.
sekathelekile nawe babe.
Yazi Poki Maru ukhulile yazi musically.
Yeah.
I listened to his performance yesterday. It was amazing.
And I know we promised you guys we have women since it's Women's Month and all that. But then unfortunately
Bayasaba.
No, Divine is not around.
Fine.
She was gonna come.
We've had Divine.
Time for that.